Guys, what if I told you that you could run Google's absolute newest, one of the powerful AI model directly on your smartphone? Not through a website, not through the cloud, but literally processing right on your Android phone's hardware. And I am not kidding. Just a few days ago, around April 2nd, 2026, Google completely shocked the tech world by releasing Gemma 4. This is an open source model built by the exact same legendary research team behind the massive Gemini models. But here's the catch. Gemma 4 is designed to be lightweight, completely free to use, and runnable on your own local devices. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to install this beast on your Android phone, completely for free. Before we install it, let me break down why the entire AI community is freaking out over Gemma 4. Google literally called this, byte for byte, the most capable open model for its size. Here's why. It is multimodal. It natively understands text, images, and audio as inputs, and gives you text as output. You can literally snap a photo, feed it to the AI entirely offline, and ask questions about it. It can handle up to 256,000 tokens. To put that in perspective, that's like feeding the AI a massive hundreds of pages long book all at once, and it won't forget the earlier parts. It is specifically built for advanced thinking and agentic work. This means it can act on its own, call tools, and automatically run functions. It has been trained on over 140 different languages. Now, Gemma 4 isn't just one model. It comes in 4 distinct sizes to fit whatever hardware you own. First, the E2B, effective 2 billion parameters. This is super efficient, designed for phones and low-powered hardware. Second, the E4B, effective 4 billion parameters. Still small, but slightly smarter. Perfect for laptops or small home servers. Third is the 26BMOE, mixture of experts. This uses clever routing tech to only activate specific parts of the brain at a time, keeping it incredibly fast with super low latency. And finally, the 31B Dense. This is the absolute powerhouse, the biggest, most intelligent version for raw performance on high-end PCs or servers. In today's video, we're going to install the absolute lightest model, the Gemma 4 E2B, right onto our Android phones. But before we start, here is the basic checklist your phone needs to run this smoothly. At least 8 GB of RAM, Android 12 or higher, which most phones from 2022 onwards already have, 6 to 8 GB of free storage space, a solid Wi-Fi connection, just for the initial download. After that, it is fully offline, over 50% battery because the initial setup can take a few minutes.
Alright, let's get practical. First, open up the Google Play Store and search for an app called Google AI Edge Gallery. Now, keep in mind, this app is still in its early access beta phase, but you can download it easily right now. Hit install. Once you open the app, you will immediately get a notification introducing you to the brand new Gemma 4 models. Just click on Agree and Continue. This takes you directly to the main dashboard. Right at the top, you will see a banner that says Try Gemma 4 Feet with options for both the E2B and E4B models. Go ahead and click on the Agent Skills option. This takes you to the actual download hub. Pro tip, if you click the Learn More link, it will take you to their official GitHub repository where you can read all the intense developer documentation. But don't worry, you don't need to do any coding today. Just hit the back button. Now, find the E2B model and simply hit download. A pop-up will appear giving you a memory warning. Guys, ignore this. If you have 8 GB of RAM, like we talked about, it will run perfectly fine. Just hit proceed. Once the download is finished, click on the try button. It might give you that memory warning one more time, just hit proceed anyway. The app will now say initializing model. This usually takes about 60 seconds because it is literally unpacking an entire AI brain into your phone's local memory. And boom, we are in. The interface looks exactly like what you are used to with ChatGPT or the normal Gemini app. But remember, this is running 100% on your mobile phone's RAM and GPU. Let's test the speed. Hello Gemma 4, please introduce yourself. Look at that. In just a couple of seconds, it analyzes the prompt and spits out a perfect fluid response. But remember, I told you this was multimodal. Let's test its vision. I'm going to upload an image from my gallery and type, "Explain this image to me in detail." Guys, look how fast it processes the image locally and gives me a perfect detailed breakdown. This little E2B model acts exactly like the early versions of ChatGPT, but it lives completely inside your pocket. Now let me show you the true power of this app. If you scroll down and click on the Skills tab, it takes you to the Build Skills menu. You can toggle different AI behaviors on and off here, but the magic is the plus icon. You can actually build your own custom AI agents right on your phone. For example, you can create an email assistant skill. You just tell the AI exactly what tone and format you want your emails to be in. Or you can build a strict grammar checker for your personal tasks. If you want to get even more technical, click on the Filter or Configuration tab at the top. Here, you can adjust the max token limits and, more importantly, the system prompt. The system prompt is the master instruction file that tells the AI who it is and how to behave. You can completely rewrite this to customize the AI's core personality. I am going to leave mine on default for now, but the level of control you have here is insane. So guys, that is how you turn your Android phone into a completely offline AI supercomputer using Google's new Gemma 4. You can do image analysis, audio to text transcription, and so much more. I highly recommend downloading this and testing it out for yourself. And remember, if you want to push things to the limit, you can easily delete the E2B model from the app and try to run the heavier E4B if your phone can handle it. Also, those massive 31 billion parameter models are available to run locally on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and keep building. I will see you guys in the next video.